SOBC, Stimulus, Organism, Behaviour, Consequences. All four words are explaining this thing. The total evaluation of human species or any organism evolved till date is with this model. The stimulus, which is the first thing which triggers the whole thing. Then we have organism. Organism means all the living things. Then behavior, the reaction to the action of that organism, and then consequences happening after that reaction, that behavior. So all these are interdependent, and now this is the whole worldly scenario of any model. So the basis of model here is a felicitator helping someone, but not being like a partner or a leader. This is only giving a simple hint or support. So the managerial orientation over here is the empathy. Consider yourself as a scientist who is working so hard on some typical topic, but you are lagging some basic concept over here. So manager or leader just visiting you, reading your report and giving some clue which will feel you like, wow, that was missing in my concepts. So that is the concept of SOBC. So the employee orientation is the belongingness. You belong to something, you work for it, like as you exist for it. So SOBC model is very much about the belongingness. The employee psychological result is the ownership. As if I already told you, if one scientist is working on it, he will be definitely getting the patent or a special recognition of this invention. So sort of ownership is there. So employee needs met are higher order needs: recognition, money, then the fame, as well as the whole wealth what we are dreaming about. So the performance results of these SOBC model is passion and commitment. We have a renowned example of Honorable APJ Abdul Kalam sir, who was working so hard, so passionate about his rocket science knowledge, implementation of that knowledge, making the missiles for India, and made us proud for all over the globe. The India is leading right now with all these weapons we have. That was only possible just because of the passion of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir and the researchers who were working with him at the time of these inventions. So we have covered 5 different models of organizational behavior in this session. This was a brief session and we will be discussing each and every model in detail with examples. If you have any queries, kindly comment below. So this is Professor Vishwajit Gaike signing off for right now. Thanks for watching. And please also visit our special website vishwajit.org.